Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming compatibility and power. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is on iOS 13 or later and the external switch is charged. Once done, turn Bluetooth on and keep the switch within about 3 meters so pairing stays stable. Next, open Settings, then Accessibility, then tap Switch Control. This is the doorway. You'll see an Add New Switch option. That's your first actionable step. Tap it, choose the input source, and prepare to assign an action. Now you pair and configure. Pick the switch source, external, screen, or camera-based, depending on your hardware. Once you choose external, put the physical switch into discovery mode and watch your device detect it. Name it something clear. After detection, assign a primary action such as Select, Home, Siri, or a custom gesture. This maps the switch to a function. Make sure to test the assignment in the switch control menu. If it triggers, you're ready to refine scanning settings. Finish by refining scanning and saving workflows. You adjust scanning style and auto-scanning speed to match reaction time, and set pause on first item if you want manual confirmation. Then create recipes for common multi-step tasks and map each recipe to a specific switch so complex actions run with one press. Once configured, test everyday tasks, make sure to save. If something goes wrong, restart Bluetooth, repair the switch, or reset switch control. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves pairing and responsiveness issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.